Mixologist 640, welcome back to the domain outside my backyard. We're preparing,
Oh my God! Wow!
beautiful tasty cocktail. I know summer is coming to an end, but we still got some time. So further ado, let's get right into it. This one is called a Kinky Martini, and you're gonna see the reason why it's called a Kinky Martini. Let's get it done. Found the blend, a blue Nectar. It's great stuff right here. So we're gonna put an ounce and a half inside, just like this. Guys, whatever tequila you have at your house, you can use it. Don't matter if it's blue Nectar, but if you can get your hands on this one, this is a perfect one to use.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a...
And we're going with the Grand Marnier. Woo! You know, Grand Marnier right here. We're gonna put 1 ounce of Grand Marnier inside, just like this. Damn! We're gonna use the Kinky right here. We're gonna put 1 ounce and a half of Kinky. Infuse liqueur inside, just like this. We're gonna go right here and grab our agave syrup. Just a splash of agave syrup inside, just like that. Get our ice baby, nice and cold. Guys, so if you have your backyard in your house, you know, you can use your glass, you can use a plastic cup, whatever you have, you can use it. But you know, mixologist style, we're using a nice sexy martini glass, and we're gonna give it some shake. Gotta make sure it's really chill and cold, because you know, we're outside 90 degrees. Gonna pour it inside just like this. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God! Wow!
This is the one. Mixologist 640.